So today we will discuss about derived tables and CTE. So derived table means derived table. It is a subquery used in from class that acts like a temporary table for the duration of the query. Okay. So how much time it will act as a temporary table that depends upon the query execution. Okay. So when we use derived table means breaking down complex queries for readability, using aggregations for later filtering and joining. That means we will do aggregation first and later filtering and joining, and avoiding repeated subqueries. Okay. So in previous session, we have discussed about uh, subqueries used in from class like that. Derived table is also same thing. And what are the possibilities with the derived tables? We will discuss with examples. Okay. And first of all, I will take one example. For this example, I will write the logic by using subquery, and then I will write the logic by using derived table. Then you can easily understand the difference between them. Okay. Okay. So first of all, display employee details whose salary is equal to the department's minimum salary. Okay. So in each and every department, we will have some records. I want to get the employee details who are having least salary in each department. Okay. So first, so take this requirement, and better to use DB here so that we can execute multiple queries and we can able to see multiple results at a time. This requirement, display employee details whose salary is equal to the department minimum salary. So first we need to find this one, department's minimum salary. So department wise minimum salary, group by department number, and take this department number, insert query, comma, min of salary, and this is minimum salary column alias name. And if you execute this, sorry, employee table, not department table. We execute this, so I can get department wise minimum salary. Okay. And display the employee details whose salary is equal to the department's minimum salary. Okay. So I completed the logic for this, and here I am writing the logic for this. Display the employee details whose salary. That means select star from employee and where salary equal to here I can write like this, in where condition I can write department number equal to, here if you give alias name, e dot department number. Okay. So these are the minimum salaries. And see, 800, 1300, 950. Okay. So these are the employee details for that salary. Okay. So this is the way to write. So here for each and every record, here for each and every row, that department number, it will be passed to the subquery. See this like this. Department number, it is passed to the subquery and give the result. Okay. So you can write simply by checking like this, where department number equal to 10 is 1300. Okay. So this is the way to write the subquery. So same example, same requirement, how to write the logic in derived table. Okay. So select row number. So I already discussed about row number functionality, and over partition by class, just like group by class. Okay. Partition by department number, order by salary. See, if I don't mention here descending or ascending, it is by default ascending. Okay. And as serial number and start from employee, so and here a select start from employee, where serial number equal to 1. See this 800, 950, 1300. Okay. So I can write by using subquery, and I can write by using derived table. Okay. See, in this example, if I want to have department name and location, then how to write the query? Simply, I can use natural inner join here and department. Then I can get. So here, no need to use column names in join condition if we have same column name in both tables, left and right tables. Okay, that's why I didn't mention on condition in join. So same thing I can have here also. See, okay. So this is the way to write derived table logic. Okay, and one more example. Display employee details whose salary is greater than department's average salary. Okay, so take this query and whose salary is greater than department's average salary. Okay, so here, first of all, write the logic for this. Select department number, comma, average of sal as average sal from EMP group by DPT number. Here A and unnecessary. So up to here, I can get department-wise average salary. Okay. So, and that means this logic is completed. Now, display employee details whose salary is greater than average, department-wise average salary. Okay. So, now, write natural join, inner join, and employee E. Okay. And here, start from and E dot star. Where E dot sal is greater than A dot average sal. Okay. A dot average sal. Okay. So see, these are the records which are having salary more than department wise average salary. Okay. See how to split the logic. That means this is the requirement and I have split this requirement into two parts. First, I have written the logic for getting the department wise average salary like this. And after that, I have written the display employee details whose salary is greater than average salary. That means this is the logic. Okay. This is the way to write derived table.